Meditation has become an increasingly popular practice in recent years, with many people turning to it for stress relief, mental clarity, and spiritual growth. While the benefits of meditation are well documented, some may wonder if this practice is suitable for everyone. After all, only some have the same level of patience, focus, or interest in mindfulness. Today we will explore the question, is meditation for everyone? And discuss the different factors affecting a person's ability to meditate. We'll also examine the benefits of meditation and how it can positively impact individuals from all walks of life, regardless of their age, background, or beliefs. Whether you're a seasoned meditator or a curious beginner, this post will provide you with valuable insights into the accessibility and inclusivity of this ancient practice. What is meditation? Meditation is a technique that has been practiced for thousands of years in various cultures and religions. It involves training your mind to focus on the present moment, to let go of distracting thoughts and emotions, and to cultivate a sense of calm and inner peace. There are many different types of meditation, such as mindfulness meditation, transcendental meditation, and loving-kindness meditation. Each type has its unique approach, but the overall goal is the same: to quiet the mind and connect with a more profound sense of awareness. Is meditation for everyone? One of the notable misconceptions about meditation is that it is only for certain people, such as yogis, monks, or spiritual gurus. However, the truth is that meditation is a practice that is accessible to everyone, regardless of age, gender, background, or beliefs. While some people may have an easier time meditating than others, anyone can learn to meditate with practice and patience. Factors that can affect your ability to meditate. That being said, some factors can affect your ability to meditate. For example, it may be more challenging to quiet your thoughts and focus on the present moment if you have a busy mind. If you have a physical condition that causes discomfort or pain, you may find it harder to sit still for an extended period. If you have a mental health issue such as anxiety or depression, you may need additional support to establish a consistent meditation practice. However, none of these factors means that you can't meditate. In fact, meditation can be a helpful tool for managing stress, pain, and mental health conditions, with some studies showing that it can even help lower blood pressure and improve immune function. Benefits of meditation. The benefits of meditation are numerous, and they can positively impact individuals from all walks of life. Below are some of the most significant benefits of meditation. Reduced stress and anxiety. Meditation has also been shown to reduce stress and anxiety levels by calming the nervous system and promoting relaxation. Of course, we make no medical claims. However, meditation has been credited for nurturing inner peace even during difficult times. Improved focus and concentration. Meditation can enhance your ability to concentrate and focus by training your mind to stay present and not get distracted by external stimuli. It can improve your performance at work or school and make you more productive and efficient. Increased self-awareness. Meditation can help you become more self-aware by allowing you to observe your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors without judgment. It can help you understand your patterns and habits and make conscious choices that align with your values and goals. Better sleep. Meditation can promote better sleep by reducing racing thoughts and calming the body and mind before bedtime. It can help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and feel refreshed and energized. Improved overall well-being. Meditation can improve your well-being by reducing chronic pain symptoms, improving immune function, and boosting mood and emotional resilience. It can help you live a more balanced, fulfilling life and cultivate meaningful relationships with yourself and others. In conclusion, meditation is a practice that is accessible to everyone, regardless of their background, age, or beliefs. While some factors, such as a busy mind or physical discomfort, may affect a person's ability to meditate, these challenges can be overcome with practice and patience. The benefits of meditation are numerous and cover a broad range from reducing stress and anxiety to improving focus and concentration and promoting overall well-being. It's a tool that can help people manage various mental and physical health conditions and cultivate a sense of inner peace and resilience. If you're new to meditation, starting small and being consistent with your practice is essential. You can start with just a few minutes daily and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. Many resources are available to help you get started, such as guided meditation apps, online courses, and local meditation centers. With time and dedication, you can develop a meaningful meditation practice that supports your mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. Remember, meditation is for everyone, and anyone can benefit from this ancient practice. Thanks for watching. Learn more at Spiritual Serenade 89. Click the link in the description below.